Welcome to iOS Insights, your go-to channel for iOS app development using Swift and SwiftUI. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced developer seeking advanced techniques, this channel aims to provide you with valuable insights and knowledge. Today's tutorial is based on the addStateObject, which is a property wrapper in SwiftUI for creating and managing the lifecycle of an observable object instance within a view. It ensures the object persists as long as the owning view is alive. These features enable reactive data models in SwiftUI, facilitating dynamic and responsive user interface. So this is the interface that we'll be creating. The purpose of this interface is to show how the ObservableObject maintains state in implementing a counter within a separate class. Within your SwiftUI project, create a new class and call it counter. Select the file, Swift file, and then call the file counter. Type in import SwiftUI, class counter ObservableObject, @publish, var count int equals 0. And the purpose of line 12, that @publish, is to automatically notify SwiftUI whenever the counter changes. So we do that using @publish variable. And then let's type in func increment, and then increment the count. So the count is always incremented by 1. Now enter into the content view, and then after line 10 enter the following: @StateObject private bar counter equals counter. So we create a new instance of the counter and assign it as a @StateObject, so that the counter will have a lifetime cycle within the instance that we have created. And then now the next thing we need to do is display the counter. So to do this, delete lines 14 to 16 within the VStack, and then on line 14 just enter the following: is counter value counter dot count. So what this does, that should be count. So what this does, it displays the current value of the counter with a text view. The value will be automatically updated when counter.count changes due to @publish. And then we can just give it some format, .font, .headline, so that displays the counter. So now to increment the counter, we need to create a button. So just type in button, give it the caption increment, and then call the observable function counter.increment. So that will increment the counter each time we click on the increment button. Let's run it and see how it works. Just compiling at the moment. So it's just building now. Now it's built. So let's test it out. So each time when we click on the increment button, the value of count needs to be incremented. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's run it again because I pressed it I think twice and then it skipped a few numbers. So run it again. I'll press it slowly this time. So it's incremented by 1, incremented another time by 2 and 3. And that was achieved by using observable and state object with published. So the code, it showcases a simple implementation of @state object and @published in SwiftUI for state management. These property wrappers enable automatic updating of views when the state changes, resulting in a reactive user interface. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.